I'm pretty sure for you to click on this video, you probably already know what a thumbnail is. But for those who don't know what a thumbnail is, the thumbnail is the picture you first see that appears on the screen, like the picture that appears on each video. So the first thing you see before you actually click into the video, that's what a thumbnail is. So what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lacey Atkins here as always. Thank you all for staying with me on my beautiful journey, and to my newer viewers, yes, you who haven't subscribed yet and you chose to watch this video, thank you for choosing this video, and I do hope you enjoy the video, enjoy my family, because you're welcome and I love to have you on board. And do not forget, if you do love it, just hit that red button down there. Have you done it? No? You got to do it now. Come on. Alright then. Cool. Now you've joined the family. So the title says it all. So I'm just going to go straight right into the video. Today I'm going to be looking down because I've kind of noted it on my phone. So the first one, which I use personally, is Pixel. Yes, I use PixArt. I use PixArt app to edit my thumbnails. This is good, but it doesn't really have so much of emojis and stuff. So it's like for if you're gonna do and just put like a basic text right here, that app is really good for that. So the next one is PixMonkey. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. I don't use it personally, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, so be sure to try that one out. PicsArt. Yes, I use PicsArt myself. Like, I didn't even know people be able to create a thumbnail using PicsArt, because I've been using PicsArt like for quite a long time for myself, like normal photo editing and stuff. I've been using it for a long time, and then just one day, I don't know, I actually don't even know what made me start using it, and then I tried it out, and it came out looking good. This thumbnail over here somewhere, I'll place it. I actually use PixArt to create this, so you can use PixArt. It's free. All these apps I'm giving, they're all free on Android devices. Okay, don't shoot me, I will do iOS device. Where is Canvas? Right, you can use Canvas as well, but I don't really know much about Canvas as well. But like I said, I've heard good things about it, so be sure to try that one out. And finally, the last but not the least, Insta Collage. The word Insta just even makes me want to think of Instagram. Like, I'm like IG Collage. No, it's not IG Collage, it's Insta Collage. Yeah, that as well, you can use it to create your YouTube thumbnail. And you know, a good thumbnail would attract audience to your page, would drive people to really want to be like, what's that video about, and then want to click on it and watch. So having a good, attractive, you know, good thumbnail is essential for a channel. That's it. That's all I've got for today. That's all the 5 apps I've got. Like I said, I personally use PixArt and Pixel. That's the only 2 I use for now. If anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. If you found this video very helpful, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below thumbnail, so I know you've watched the video all the way to this point. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you know, when you hit that subscribe button, they give you an option. Just go over there and select all, so you're hitting the bell, so you hit the bell to always get a notification every time I, Lacey Atkins, uploads new content. Before I send you all off to have a nice day, thank you Mary J Black for sharing my video on your platform. Like, Thank you so much. I wasn't expecting it. Yeah, that was really nice of you. And if you guys want to see more makeup reaction video, let me know in the comment down below. For now, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next video. Let's shuffle.